Solve x squared minus 2x plus 1 equals 0 by factoring. We have a quadratic equation in standard form. To solve it, we'll try to factor the left side into two binomials. We look for two numbers that multiply to 1 and add to minus 2. Since this is a perfect square trinomial, it factors to a squared binomial. By factoring, we simplify the equation into a form where we can easily apply the zero product property. Since the square of any real number cannot be 0 unless the number itself is 0, we set the binomial equal to 0. Solving for x by adding 1 to both sides gives us our solution.